From a distance, you will see a gigantic machine gliding across the field, swallowing an entire sea of wheat in an instant. But inside, it houses a complex mechanical system, an astonishingly precise piece of engineering. At the front of the machine is an ultra-fast cutting system that operates at an incredible speed. These blades slice through the crops in an instant, like a sharp sword gliding through. After being cut, the crops are fed into a component called the threshing unit. Here, the stalks are crushed to separate the grains from the husks and straw. In the past, people had to thresh each bundle of grain by hand, but now, this machine accomplishes the task in the blink of an eye. After separation, the grains pass through a powerful screening and air-blowing system, which removes dust, straw, and other impurities. In the end, only the cleanest, highest quality grains are stored in the machine's grain tank. And this is the most magical moment, when the machine unloads tons of grain into the truck in just a few minutes. A golden stream of crops, a symbol of abundance, pours down like a massive waterfall. This sight is truly mesmerizing and exhilarating. The machine of the future. How far have modern combine harvesters advanced? Do you think these machines are just massive engines running across the fields? Wrong. Modern technology has transformed combine harvesters into digital marvels with incredible features. Smart GPS system enables the machine to automatically navigate and harvest with pinpoint accuracy down to each row of crops. AI and automation technology. Some advanced models can operate without a driver, automatically optimizing their path to save fuel. Grain quality monitoring sensors can sort grains during harvesting, ensuring only the best quality is collected. The future of agriculture will no longer be endless fields filled with laborers bending over to harvest crops. Instead, ultra-modern, fully automated machines will take over, making food production faster and more sustainable than ever before. inclusion, and thank you. We've just explored the incredible journey of combine harvesters, the unsung heroes of modern agriculture. Technology is revolutionizing farming, making harvesting faster, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever before. Thank you for joining Farm Machinery Pro in this video. If you found it interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share so more people can discover the amazing world of agricultural technology. Most importantly, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.